There's a parrot there. There it is. It's hiding from me. It's watching me and hiding. Blue back, yellow head, and I think, is it a blue tail? I suppose if I go around that branch it's going to fly away. See, this is my house here. It's a fine looking bird. It's seen Nice, my dog, and it's seen my mother. And of course it's seen me. They're about maybe 10 or 12 yards away from that parrot. So I don't think it's all that worried.
What have you been saying?
I've been saying stuff into the camera.
Oh, not to me.
There's a parrot in that tree.
Where?
It's eating.
That's a dog you can hear.
Yeah, but there's not a dog in the tree.
No, no.
Okay, well I'm going inside. I think the parrot's stopped eating because it's watching you and me and the dog.
Okay.
So Mama's going to walk straight up to where that parrot is. And the parrot's gone.